Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about web storage. At the end of this video, you will be able to differentiate between local storage and session storage. List the usage of web SQL database. Before the HTML, the only way to store the application data on the client side was to use cookies. Cookies are nothing but tiny text files. These files store name and value pairs. Only 4 KB of data is stored as per domain basic. HTML5 has 3 approaches for storage of huge amount of data in browser. They are web storage, web SQL database, index database API. Web storage. Web storage API is simplest of the lot and it has seen widest adoption on the web. All major browsers support Chrome version 4.0, Firefox version 3.5 and Internet Explorer version 8.0. Web storage is of 2 types. They are local storage and session storage. Local storage and session storage. In local storage, web applications can store data locally within the user's browser. But in session storage, the data is destroyed once the browser session is closed. Both store 5 MB of data as per domain basis. Local storage is secure and large amounts of data can be stored locally. APIs supported by both local storage and session storage are storage.setItem, storage.getItem, storage.removeItem. Syntax for web storage API support. Web SQL database. Web standard query language is related to structured data storage on the client side. This allows to open or create a database, create a table and execute SQL commands. JavaScript code has to be written to make use of web SQL feature. Creating a database. To create a database, open database command is used. Running SQL commands under DB transaction. If once the database is opened, transactions can be created. These transactions provide ability to roll back, which means it may contain multiple SQL statements and fails to update to the database. Indexed database. Indexed database is a client-side technology which allows to store structured data in the local browser. This is available both in offline and online mode. It is a flat file database with hierarchical key value persistence and basic indexing capabilities. Features of indexed database are: indexed database is not a relational database. It stores key pair values. It doesn't support a structured query language. It is mostly asynchronous in nature and behavior. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Local storage supports APIs such as local storage.setItem, local storage.getItem and local storage.removeItem. The only difference between local and session storage is data will be deleted when the user closes the specified browser in session storage. Web SQL supports database transactions. Thank you for watching this video.